think I just bought a charger for batteries I don't have. You are so stupid. This says, can you read that? Do I have to do a B-roll shot? What? Autofocus. Come on, bro. Wiggle in the middle, wiggle in the middle. All right, here we go. What's up, internet? Josh Becker here again. As far as the A7S III video camera that I just got, this is the greatest day of my life. And then I realized I needed all this new stuff to make the camera that I just bought work. Need to buy new batteries, need to buy new memory cards. I panic, Amazoned it all. It came, and we gotta check it out. So let's unbox this mother. Well, we don't need that. We got some new No. USB dual charger. Dual charger. Oh no. I think I just bought the charger and I did not buy batteries. Oh God. All right. Hold on. Maybe they're in here. Stay powered. What if you don't have batteries? You just have a charger. Oh, I think no, we're good. Batteries. Right? Yep. Battery 1, battery 2, 2 batteries, and a charger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. They stand up. People like me obsessively keep and charge a lot of batteries. And I got a whole little setup over here on my desk. I don't know if you can see. This is my battery charging zone right here. GoPro batteries. They have a beautiful indicator light I love. A7S III battery charger. A7 II battery charger, boom. When you're on set and you're a PA and some important person yells, "Can I get a hot brick?" That means a charged battery. There's an entire section of batteries for cameras, walkie-talkies, microphones, everything. And you have to have a system. You have to make sure you have hot bricks and cold bricks. Be very careful. When you have fully charged batteries, you put them here. When you have batteries that need to be charged, you put them here. And you have the charging station here. Don't be trying to guess. Hot bricks, cold bricks, charging station, that's where they go. All right, we're gonna solve our second problem now, which is memory cards for the new Sony A7S III. The thing shoots in 4K, 10-bit, 120 frames a second. That requires a lot of speed in the writing to the card process. As you hit the button, 120 pictures every second. That stuff needs to get on those memory cards. I did not have the high enough speed memory card for that thing to work, so I bought new ones. And here we go. I read a couple reviews and I went with these. I got 2 of them. Because this new camera, you can put 2 memory cards in the thing. You can put 2 SD cards, or you can put 2 CF Express cards, type A, which are expensive, super duper expensive. And that expensive card is only necessary if you shoot 120 frames a second, 4K video at the 10-bit whatever rate. If you don't shoot that specific format, just get a couple of these. These are 128 gig, 300 megabytes a second, but the V90 number is the important number. There's V30, V60, V90. The V90s are fast, and they can accept the high frame rate stuff. So good, we're good here, we're good there. The new camera's outfitted with the stuff, but here is actually the important thing. I'm gonna be on camera tomorrow with a kind of celebrity cool dude. He's handsome And I gave myself a haircut recently. This thing is not good. What hat do you think is gonna be the move for tomorrow? Is it backwards? You know, I'm Peter McKinnon, I wear a backwards hat. Or maybe like, I'm a little redneck, but artsy in a way. That's not terrible. Why do I have this hat? That's not the question you ask a guy that wears this hat so well. This is a cool hat. Look at him, I'm like an Amish serial killer. From the back it looks cool, I think. Beanie look. Slouchy beanie guy. Do you trust me with your Instagram photos? I think I'm artsy this way. All right, we have other options. This is a beanie, but it's brown. Beanie bro, what's up? I'm a beanie baby. The hell's the... I don't know what to do where the tag goes on beanies. What would Zac Efron do? So this is hipster as hell. All right, hear me out. The man's British. Bloody hell, mate. Oh, fly.